Hi students, let's look at how we can solve this question here. This question asks you to find the derivative of y equals to x plus 1 over root 3x squared minus 1. So what we're going to do is actually just dy dx first. Oh, sorry. I'm going to do, I think to simplify things, we're just going to make this as this form here, half. Alright. And this is my uv. I'm going to use quotient rule because obviously this is a derivative. I mean, this is a fraction between two division between two variables, right? So what we're gonna do is gonna use the quotient rule, which is actually v square v du dx minus of u dv dx. Okay, so in this case here, what I'm gonna do is actually just put dy dx equals to v square would just be square root 3x squared minus 1 square, which is positive, and I'm gonna keep the one on the top, which is actually actually just use 3x squared minus 1. Now the order is important. V du dx, which is 1, minus of u, which is x plus 1, du dx, which is half 3x squared minus 1 minus half times 6x, right? So let me just write it down nicely for you. This would just be v du dx minus vu dv dx over v squared. Okay, so there you go. Once this is done, we are going to rearrange it nicely. Now this rearrangement here, sometimes students find it hard, but I assure you, you just keep practicing, you'll get it. So 2 times, this is 3x x plus 1, and this would just be 1 over square root 3x squared minus 1 over 3x squared minus 1. Okay, there you go. But this could combine as a fraction actually. So maybe I should just combine as a fraction, because if not, it looks very hard like that, right? This is 3x squared minus 1. Now what to do next? There's a fraction among the fractions. So what I will suggest is you could just multiply top and bottom with 3x squared minus 1, this fraction here. And so to get rid of the fraction here, so multiply and multiply here. And what you will get nicely would just be root 3x squared minus 1 multiply with this, we'll just get back 3x squared minus 1, right? And after which you have got this would be 3x plus 1. You see that? And the bottom here, this would be 3x squared minus 1 times with 3x squared minus 1 to the power of half. And you could actually add it up. This is 3x squared. So 3x squared minus 1 minus 3x squared minus 3x. Ta-da! This is 3x squared minus 1. This is 3 over 2. Okay, then once this is done, what you're going to get is actually just negative 3x, negative 1. You could write as 3x squared minus 1 to the power of 3. Okay, so this is how you do this question here proficiently. If you have any question or comments, please do let us know. Or you could just actually factorize this out as well. Okay, if you have any question or comments, please let us know. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next question.